After watching this video, one thing is for sure that you will be happy and you will prepare on your own for your Mphil Clinical Psychology entrance examinations. So as you know, the CIP, Ranchi and Nimhans don't give their question paper outside because then it will be more easy for you if you watch such videos. But in this video, we are going to talk about the most popular themes plus secondary, the most popular books plus believe in yourself and you can clear this Mphil entrance examinations on your own. Okay, so let's start first of all with the themes, and we will be dealing with three of the most top institute or question paper of our. First of all, it will be ihbas 2024. So if you are giving ihbas in 2025, so be alert, this video is for you as well as for CIP and demands. Everything will remain the same, just the pattern of question will change little. And after that we'll talk about rinpas theme, and after that we'll talk about what about that, but which exam, jemas, okay, joint entrance of West Bengal, we'll talk about that as well. But before we start the exposed video or the open up video or the script video right now, I want to focus you on this question: chronic alcohol abuse, schizophrenia, Korsakoff, Huntington, multiple sclerosis. This is your ihbas 2024. And then this question of jemas 2024, Mphil Clinical Psychology, but obviously question number 35: which of the following illness caused by long-term abuse of alcohol, Alzheimer, Korsakoff, Parkinson, and Huntington? If you don't know the favorite four syndromes, COMME, then make sure that you watch that video. The link is given in the description. From there you can watch that video about Korsakoff, Othello, Munchausen, and Munchausen by proxy. Okay, so now as you can see, two question paper are asking the same question in the same year. Okay, this JMAS thing asking about Korsakoff syndrome, as well as this ihbas thing is also asking about Korsakoff syndrome by chronic alcohol abuse. Okay, just not that, if you take any question paper of Mphil Clinical Psychology entrance examination, you will definitely find this K Korsakoff syndrome and questions about that. But the dilemma is that you will not find most of the PYQs. So what you need to do is you need to study whatever PYQs you are getting, join the Telegram channel as well. From there you are getting more PYQs as compared. But whatever PYQs you are getting, you need to identify the themes and prepare solely on the basis of that only. And if you don't have that four books, which you can find the link in the description, and if you don't have these four books, then you are preparing just unnecessarily out of nowhere you are preparing. And if you are doing by self study, but obviously then there is no need of you to prepare, you will be not able to clear the examination preparing on your own. Okay, that is the harsh truth, 100%, because I am going to show you right now how the questions are coming from only these four books. What are these four books? First of all, it is the C book, which is very important for your introduction of psychology. Then we are having this A book for some exams for research methods. Okay, then we are having this N book by Neeraj Ahuja, a short textbook of psychiatry, and then we are having this F book called for Fish Clinical Psychology. Okay, so if you don't have this CANF framework, then you are preparing, I don't know why you are preparing if you are not studying from these four books. Okay, why? Because most of the paper, 90%, 80 to 90% of paper is coming from here only, from the analysis of the PYQs that we are having over here. Okay, these institute and many more Mphil PYQs you will see are coming directly from these books only and not from anywhere else. See these kind of question, the term stream of consciousness, who will be not able to answer this if they are preparing for Mphil? This is directly from your C book. Okay, you will see this breathing, life sustaining, C book. Everything is coming from this particular book only. Okay, consistency of measure, A book. Anterograde amnesia, C book. You just need to read line by line, that's it. Okay, now extinction shaping, C book. Somatic symptom disorder feature, you need to answer bystander effect. Everything is coming from C book only. Okay, you will not find any question. See this prospagnosia, prospagnosia. If you do other mock test as well, if you do other state net set exam as well, then you will be able to understand what is prospagnosia over here. Okay, now this formula n-1 c-1 or r-1 c-1 from the A book directly. Okay, directly from the A book. And name of the Indian tool to assess the severity, now this is from somewhere from outside, CGAS childhood, this thing. This is from the A book, this is from the meta analysis in clinical psychology, you can find based on your studies. Derealization, these all things, okay, you will find easily in this book, or as well as you will find in the N book as well, or in the Fish book as well. Okay, NF book as well, everything is coming. Transactional model of stress, C book. p-value in statistical testing, a book. This thing, c book. Everything is coming from these four books only, not from anywhere else. You just need to revise these things properly and see. This is the new one, rpwd act. This you have to study apart from your syllabus, or apart from your syllabus, but you need to study more about this because it is not included in most of the books. But rest all 80% negative transparent, one parent convey two conflicting messages to a child at same time. What is happening over here? Exposure and response prevention. As long as you are reading these books again and again, you will be able to fetch these marks very easily. Now this question, the reward center, if you don't know the answer, go and read C book, you will find the answer. What is the role of hypothalamus? We are talking about rinpas 2024 now. Okay, and as you can see over here, the statistical method developed by Spearman, go and read C book, the answer is over there as well as in the A book. This attitudinal scales use different measurement scale, you will find in A book. Multi-trait multi-method, it is given in the A book for research and reliability and validity. Everything is coming from there only. Not a single question is outside from these books apart from some simple 4 or 5 vague questions. Nothing is coming out of anywhere. Okay, now see, la bella indifference, I mean la bella indifference. Okay, la bella indifference. Now try to answer this. La bella difference or bella indifference, conversion disorder, depression, borderline OCD. If you don't know this right now, then it's completely okay. You still might have some time to prepare. Go and read F book. Link is in the description. If you don't have, you can Google it for the PDF versions as well. Go and read from F book. You will find 100% answer for this. The question is directly taken from that particular book. Which clinical psychopathology is more, we can say, used as compared to Neeraj Ahuja short book psychiatry? This is more favorite as compared to the Neeraj Ahuja one. Okay, La Bella Indifference, you will find directly, you will get the answer. Go and read about the disorders of emotion, you will find answer over there directly, and make sure once you do that, you comment down below the correct answer. Okay, now about this Piaget stages of play, come on, James Lang theory, same thing in any introduction psychology book, but Cicero is mostly preferred. Who has formulated the stages of grief, smallest unit of speech production, Freud's stages of this thing, beyond the pleasure principle, who is the author, all are mature defense mechanisms except, my goodness, this is again from your F book. Directly from your F book, token economy, insulin general psychology book, you will find these defense mechanisms. Okay, don't worry. And see this question which I am telling you, this is the most favorite. Perception without sensory stimulus is called illusion, phenomena, hallucination, or perceptual constancy. The most important, if you have not watched yet the still video on schizophrenia, make sure that you watch that. The questions will be coming from there only. Don't worry, it is in a half an hour, 45-minute session, but question will be coming from there only. And see this question, I can guarantee you, this question is directly from where? From the ebook. Directly. Four major approaches to qualitative research: phenomenology, non-experimental, case study, ethnography, and these are just not four. There are more many qualitative research approaches that are given in that particular book. Okay, so you just need to do and see. Phenomenology has a discipline origins in. You will find this thing in the ebook as well, from where the phenomenology has arrived. And non-random sampling, same thing, ebook. Illness that seem to result from an interaction of physical and psychological factors. Everything can be done from only these four books: F book, N book, C book, and that A book. Okay, CANF framework. Make sure that you remember that. Make sure that you have read each and every line of these books, and you will clear the examination. Plus, your little common sense will be applied in each and every particular institute examination. Now, let's talk about this thing, Clover-Pussy syndrome. Go and read C book. You will find answer. The Indian psychology, this thing also in C book. If you are from West Bengal and giving jemas for this thing, the term IQ was invented by, given in the C book. Okay, MSc, full form of ISAA, defense mechanism. See, this question is again from the F book. Which of these is not a defense mechanism? Displacement, catastrophizing, reaction formation, humor. Okay, you will definitely know, okay, this is not a defense mechanism. I mean, this is a defense mechanism and this is also. But you will be confused between humor and catastrophizing. That's why videos of these kind are helpful to you and books of these kind are helpful to you. Okay, now why you will be able to answer that? Because you will only read books and not the so-called notes, which you might miss if you don't read properly. Now, mood dependent, mood congruence given in this thing. This thing is also from the C book. If you are applying from West Bengal, this 39 as well, jemas examination, everything is coming from these four books only. Okay, this ICD one, these are some odd questions which you need to figure out on your own because it is just vast. DSM 5, and ICD-10. There is no end to learning this and reading this, but just make sure that you are thorough with some simple concept and points, and that is enough for. See, parameter is a characteristic of a sample population. This is a little easy as compared to the other two papers that we just saw, but it's completely okay. Okay, now the id, according to Beck cognitive triad, one has a negative views about Kurt Lewin's approach to personality was superego. Everything you can find out of these four books only. You don't need to go anywhere, any day, anytime. Okay. Now, Hermann Ebbinghaus had done the pioneering experiments on what he has done. Serial position effect, memory. Go and read C book. You will find the answer there as well. And for this book, I mean de-reflection, there is one more book now add on if I have just saw this question, so now it makes me remind of what is that book. I guess Corey is the guy or girl, whatever that is. Corey, I guess Corey book, you will find the answer for this as well. Okay, about de-reflection or deflection or whatever that is. Awareness of one's thought process, the famous textbook, The Principle of Psychology, simple, Ivan Petrovich, Nobel Prize, and everything is just coming from these books. I don't find anything. Animistic thinking, okay, good question. C book, still rules. Introduction psychology book. Third wave therapies, which of the following therapies is not considered as a form of third wave therapies? Okay, the famous book Feminine Psychology is credited to author. Okay, you have to read some books for as well for jemas PG if applying for. But third wave therapies, DBT, mindfulness, acceptance, and behavior therapy. You have to just choose the odd one out based on your common sense. You will be able to answer this correctly. Don't worry, you can answer this correctly. And if you can't answer this correctly, then why you are even preparing for form of third wave therapies? We are talking how behavior will fall in a third wave therapy. Just try to think on that lines. Psychoanalysis, behaviorism, then we are having more. These schools are coming up. But third wave therapies, new therapies. See, this is a new one, this is a new one, this is a new one, but this can be a old one. Okay. Now, a therapist suggests to a patient that each time he begins to feel anxious, he should breathe deeply and imagine himself in a relaxing place. So you have to read therapies. Also, Winline Social Maturity Scale, the Gazette of India. Okay, they have included this. Which one is an immature defense? Pika is a pseudocyesis. Vexy flexibility is. I guess you will find this in F book as well. This one you will find in F book. Vexy flexibility. Hawthorne effect, C book. You will find psychiatric medicine can be prescribed by who can prescribe medicines. Some simple common sense question. Which of the following names are usually not connected with? Okay, now if you are giving for jemas PG, make sure alert, alert, alert. If you are giving for jemas PG, the CANF framework along with one C more. Okay, so Corey will also make sure that you include this thing, counseling and psychotherapies, because we are having more questions, 5 to 10 questions we just saw on therapies. So Corey becomes important for you. And I have taken previously one video on psychotherapies as well. If you watch that much also, then you can answer all of these questions easily. Okay. Now, which of the following names are usually not connected with existential therapy? Viktor Frank, Rolome, Walter Mischel, and Irvin Yalom. So watch that video. You will get the answer about this particular question. The previous video on psychotherapies. The concept of borderline personality organization was given by who has given Melanie Klein, Otto Kernberg, Heinz Kohut. Okay, comment down below what psychology this Heinz Kohut guy proposed. Which type of psychology, behavior or whatever that is. If you know the answer, Heinz Kohut. Margaret Mahler, separation one she did, but not here I think. And this Melanie Klein is associated with someone else as well. So it seems B should be the answer, but I am not sure right now. But I have eliminated A, C, and D. If you know what Otto Kernberg has done, make sure that you comment down below as well. Sundowning or sundown syndrome. And now this thing, operant conditioning, easy one once again. Okay, Ganser syndrome. Go and read F book. You will find that over there. Every book link is given in the description. You are most welcome to support us to make such videos. Elizabeth Kubler-Ross, C book. Eric Erikson, C book. Least resistant to extinction, C book. These three questions directly from C book, but you have to read line by line. Okay. Now, this theory maximized and this theory minimized the role of unconscious. Who that can be? Which of the following is not considered to be a cardinal feature? Porteous developed an early. Okay, this was recently asked in net exam as well. So doing net PYQs will also help you. Okay, eventually it will also help you. Not eventually, certainly it will help you. Porteous develop an early performance test, and I guess you will find this in Which book? Let me remember. Porteous. I know from where this book is, but I am not able to tip of tongue phenomena maybe right now recall exactly. But I will tell you shortly about this Porteous guy once again. Okay. Now is a sub process of this thing. C book, A book. The Stroop color word interference test is usually used as a test of. This was recently asked in the NET exam as well. So you got the gist. Okay, in 15 minutes you got the gist of this, that we just discussed about ihbas, we just discussed about rinpas, which is going to coming up shortly, and we just discussed about jemas. Apart from that, whatever Mphil examination you are preparing, maybe CIP, maybe NIMHNS, and maybe any other entrance examination, the theme will always be the same. Just 5 to 10 questions, 15 questions max to max here and there, rest all remains the same. And you would help by mailing us the questions if you are giving this examination, CIP and nimhans, by mailing us the examination at this email address given in the description, so that we can have a healthy discussion about the PYQs, so that those who are giving for the next time, they can also get the help from these videos, that how to prepare and what to prepare and what not to prepare. Okay, so now, for as of now, we have discussed the theme biopsychology. The theme is covered from entire psychology portion. Biopsychology is the IMP, therapies are IMP, and some basic general introduction psychology knowledge is IMP, and research methods as well. Now what books you will follow? Books you will follow for what? C book is very IMP. This book is very IMP. This book is somewhat okay. I have not found much questions from this book, but yes, F book, yes, definitely IMP. And if you are from jemas also, I mean giving jemas as well, then this Corey counseling psychology also becomes IMP. Okay, so this CNF framework will help you, and what you can do is you will do the PYQs thoroughly by joining the Telegram group. These three papers are in the Telegram group as well, and more upcoming PYQs will be updated there, so you join that from the links in the description as well. So if you don't have the books right now, make sure that you purchase right before examination or for the next time maybe. If you don't have the PYQs, join the Telegram channel, and if you don't know how to study, watch these theme based videos where we are exploring Mphil clinical psychology, how to prepare by self study. Don't rely on any sort of notes. The amount of knowledge you will get from reading BOOKS not once, but you have to read 5 times, then nobody is going to stop you hallucinations from clearing the examinations. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. See you all soon. Take care. Goodbye. And if you are giving any of the MPhil clinical psychology examination, and if you are watching this video till here, then make sure that you mail the question paper. Maybe it can be a memory based, or it can be offline, whatever PDF you can mail on this email address. We are most welcome to you, and we are happy that you are sharing this on this email address. Okay, all right, so that others also get benefit from these kind of videos, so that they don't waste their time, energy and money. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. I hope you like the video. Yes, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if not, it's completely okay. Read the CNF framework to become a doctor.